Why pay a ton for professional water heater repair when you might just handle it yourself and save big? So, here's the deal. If you're cool with basic plumbing tools and have some experience, swapping out a water heater can be pretty straightforward. First, always shut off your water and power or gas supply before starting anything that's super important for safety. If it's a gas heater, remember that proper venting and gas piping are crucial and usually need permits, so maybe don't go solo unless you really know what you're doing. For electric heaters, you just need to deal with plumbing and electrical connections, which a lot of folks can handle themselves or get a homeowner's permit to do legally. When buying a new heater, shop around for prices because installers sometimes mark up the cost of the unit a lot, like your friend's experience. Also, grab the right fittings and unions to avoid leaks, and keep in mind that installing new parts right the first time saves headaches later. Test everything carefully before calling it a day to make sure there are no leaks or electrical issues. And if you're unsure about any part of the process, it's always smarter to call in a pro than risk safety or damage. One of the biggest mistakes with water heater replacement is underestimating the complexity of gas heater installation. Incorrect gas piping or venting can be dangerous and may cause carbon monoxide leaks. The fix is to hire a certified professional for any gas work and secure proper permits. Another common issue is overpaying for the water heater itself, because some plumbing companies charge way more than retail prices. The best move is to buy your own heater from a trusted supplier and then hire someone just for the install if needed. Third, many people skip testing for leaks or don't properly secure connections, leading to water damage or electrical shorts. Always double-check every joint and connection after installation and before restoring power or gas supply. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who do great work without charging crazy prices. Plus, it helps contractors find reliable gigs from people who actually need their skills, keeping things fair and simple on both sides.